Oh, bad luck. Here we go.
Yeah.
Go woohoo!
Here we go, woohoo. So,
Film me when you get to the bottom, Dad, okay?
okay. Well, if I make it, let me sort ourselves out when we get down there, okay? You ready, Els?
Dad, you go.
Let's go. We're gone. Hey! What do you reckon on that, Els? Was that quick?
Until the boys come down, then we'll all go on it. But the boys don't come with us. You go on.
Ellie, scream at Mummy, say no.
No!
The boys to come down. Come on then. There you go. Done it. Well done. That was a long walk.
Did you walk all the way up?
Yep. Well, you have to sit down and have a rest.
I'm going to go head
Right, let's sort you out.
first.
Sort you out.
Take it, go.